My slime part 2. So, I have water with detergent and some glue here. Then put it. Where's my this is not stick.
Okay, yeah. Take it easy. Now, how you go? What's this, huh? Or you have a fever? I'm the one that acted kick. And if you find out that they are happy, well, then you can take a little walk back to the rage stage. You know what? This doesn't even bother me. Until finally you reach stage 6. No, team. Now this is when you're just exhausted of drowning and sinking. So you swim back up to
beginning
surface.
to be slime.
And you float. This is when you realize, you know what? This is a situation. You accept it. You understand that it's okay to be heartbroken. And when the time is right, you will find that special someone. And most importantly, you realize that you don't need someone to be happy. You can be happy yourself. And to be honest, many people don't ever attain stage 6. So if your friends
It's kind of dark here.
Head on over to stage 6 because you're awesome. I get it sucks. I can hold your face right now. But come to stage 6. We have the cookies. Real talk, if anyone's going through a breakup, I know it sucks, but you'll get through it. I promise. I don't care for you, so comment below so we can hug your face. As for now, make sure you rate, comment, and click that subscribe button because I do make new videos every Monday and Thursday. And don't forget, tomorrow is the 14th, which means there will be an Ask Superwoman live stream. And rumor has it that Hannah Hart will be joining me. And by rumor, I mean fact. So I'll see you tomorrow. One love, Superwoman. That is a wrap. And ooh. Slam. Where in the world is Superwoman today? In District 12. Mother, what are going to girls? Superwoman. And if you know anything about me, you know I am obsessed with the Hunger Games movie series. And for all of you that haven't read the books or seen the movies, don't be stressed. I mean, you just have to really.
Can you see?
Real quick for all the moves. There are 12 districts that are very poor and have no rights. There is one capital that is rich and rules and basically it's
I just made a slime. Look.
There's only one winner and the arena changes every single year. Okay, now
Oh, slime.
I know.
I
I
get
am obsessed with the movies and the third one is coming out today, which is Mockingjay. I'm going to go see it today. So needless to say, my panties are more knotted than some dreadlocks. Do you think you would survive in the Hunger Games? Because I know for sure I would die for the following reasons. First of all, I'm not really good at rules or paying attention when important information.
So how to make it? The first ingredient is some glue, and then tied with water, put some water, then put it in a plate, then put the powder, not that much, and then glue. So I'm gonna make some more slime by just adding glue.
Just one. Where do I pass go and collect $200? And then I would go to the arena, okay, and stand on that little platform thing, waiting for the countdown to happen. And if you step off early, they blow you up. So it would be like 10, 9, 8.
So my glue is empty now, therefore it's just 15.
Do we go on 1 or is there a 0? 7, 6, 5. Like, is it 3, 2, 1 run or is it 2, 1, 0 run?
So there's my slime there.
3. Sorry, can I get some clarification? Because can we have a
Mixing it.
demo real quick here? 3, 2.
I'm making the slime too slowly.
But to be fair, I feel like all games
And if you watch my long videos,
for example, rock, paper, scissors. That's
fun.
Real simple game.
I have some
When we play some rock, paper, scissors. Are you ready?
many
Oh
songs.
no. We're working on scissors. Rock, paper, scissors, slam.
Yeah.
Rock, paper, scissors, slam. Okay, ready? Rock, paper. Oh, damn, I did it right. Okay. 1, 2. It's on 2. It's on 3. So 1, 2, draw. 1, 2, 3, draw. Right. Okay. Rock,
Oh, no.
paper, scissors. No. Okay. One more time. Rock, paper, scissors. No. Scissor draw. Scissor draw. Rock, paper, scissor draw. So much confusion. And we all know if I was in the Hunger Games, I would be taking all of my technology with me, okay? Effing GoPro strapped to my head, phone charger. My priorities will always be ridiculous. Like you already know, okay? If I find a bow and arrow, I'm gonna grab it and run. And run as fast as I can into an area of the arena that has the best lighting so I can take some selfies. Like, I gotta go.
So I'm gonna end it here. No one watched my videos when it took so 6 minutes, so I'm gonna end it in right now.